How to use MediaStreamer on a router running ExpressVPN. MediaStreamer is a feature of ExpressVPN that allows you to access geo-restricted content on devices that do not support VPN apps, such as smart TVs and gaming consoles. It works by changing your DNS settings to spoof your location, but it does not encrypt your traffic or protect your privacy like a VPN does. To use MediaStreamer on a router running ExpressVPN, you need to follow these steps. Sign into your router's admin panel, 192.168.132.1, 2.168.1.1, 192.168.21.1, or 192.168.42.1, and go to the ExpressVPN section. Select the device group that you want to use MediaStreamer for. You can create a new group or use an existing one. Click on the three dots next to the current server location and select all locations. Scroll down and select MediaStreamer. You will see a confirmation message that says MediaStreamer is now active for this group. Connect your devices to the router and enjoy streaming your favorite shows. FYI, MediaStreamer is a service offered by various providers, such as ExpressVPN, that allows you to access content from different regions without encrypting your internet traffic. Here are some pro tips for using MediaStreamer. 1. Understand the purpose. MediaStreamer is primarily designed for unblocking content and improving streaming speeds. Unlike a full VPN, it doesn't encrypt your internet connection. Use it when privacy and security aren't your primary concerns. 2. Check supported services. Confirm that the streaming services you want to access support MediaStreamer. Popular platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer often work well, but it's always good to check the current status. 3. Follow setup guides. Most VPN providers provide detailed setup guides for MediaStreamer on various devices. Follow these guides closely to ensure proper configuration. 4. Select the closest server. Choose the MediaStreamer server that is geographically closest to you. This can improve your streaming speeds by minimizing latency. 5. Verify DNS settings. Double check your device's DNS settings to make sure they match the recommended settings provided by your VPN provider. Incorrect DNS settings can lead to connection issues. 6. Use a compatible router. If your VPN provider supports it, consider using a compatible router with MediaStreamer. This allows you to extend the service to all devices connected to your home network. 7. Bypass specific devices. Some devices or applications may not work well with MediaStreamer. In such cases, you can configure your router to bypass these devices, ensuring they don't use the MediaStreamer service. 8. Test different servers. If you encounter issues with one MediaStreamer server, try switching to another. Some streaming services may actively block certain IP addresses, and changing servers can help you find one that works. 9. Monitor service updates. Streaming services may update their systems to detect and block VPNs or DNS proxy services. Keep an eye on updates from your VPN provider, as they may provide new server addresses or other solutions. 10. Check for VPN alternatives. If you require both security and access to region-restricted content, consider using a full VPN connection instead of MediaStreamer. VPNs encrypt your internet traffic, providing an added layer of privacy. 11. Optimize connection speeds. If you experience slow streaming speeds, check your internet connection, try different servers, and consider connecting to a less congested server during peak usage times. Remember that while MediaStreamer can be an excellent tool for accessing geo-restricted content, it doesn't provide the same level of privacy and security as a full VPN connection. Use it based on your specific needs and preferences.